This is something I didn't have to do much with on this 1883, but I got a problem with this. If you take a look at that knuckle, it's misshapen, it's squat, and if I push on the core, you can see that a hole actually almost opens up there. You can just take your yarn and push it right through with your needle, and we're going to refelt this in the same way that we refelted the felts at the bottom of the whippings. As a matter of fact, this was the first yarn work I ever did. It wasn't on the whippings, it was on a bunch of knuckles. You got to be careful where you place it because you're going to change the shape of the knuckle. And this, of course, is the area that got worn the worst. And so we probably will want to, in other words, that's where the jack hits the knuckle. So we probably want to come in there, and then we want to come up kind of on top too, like that, and that will give us a repaired shape. So the way that this is done is you just lay it in, you don't glue it, and you know the core is made out of merino wool, the core of the knuckle. So to do this is not really a problem. You're just returning it kind of to its previous position. So just cut away a little bit of that. You certainly don't want to take away the leather because that's kind of where the whipping window rides. But sometimes they'll squish out a little bit the felt, so you can get in and get rid of some of the squishing out. There we go. So you can see that this shape is much more correct for a knuckle than it was. And it will now respond a little more normally to play. I'm going to give you a close-up. So we just, let's come here. What we did was that we added some wool right under there. Okay. That's it.